A very good morning to Dr. Christina and my fellow friends. So today I will be presenting my final year project title, which is Managing the Impact of Artificial Intelligence on Digital Art Creators, Strategy for Preserving Artistic Authenticity in Kuching, Sarawak. So for introduction, which is artificial intelligence, AI is increasingly used in the field of digital art today. AI tools such as DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion allow artists to generate image quickly and effectively. However, this rapid development has also raised concern regarding authenticity, originality, and authorship. Therefore, this study focuses on how AI affects digital art creators in Kuching Sarawak, especially in relation to artistic authenticity. Okay, so for the background of study, according to the LHC in 2023, digital arts had grown significantly within Malaysia creative economy. In Kuching, many artists integrate local culture and identity into their digital artworks. Although AI provides new creative opportunities, it also poses risk. Because of this, authenticity becomes an important issue in preserving culture and artistic value. So for the problem statement, there are several problems identified in this study. So the first one is about the boundary between human and AI authorship has become unclear. The second one is AI generated artwork are often perceived as lacking originality. The third one is there is a risk that Sarawak's cultural identity may be diluted. Okay, so for this part, I will start from research objective first. So my first objective is examine the influence of artificial intelligence AI on the creative processes and artistic identity of digital art creators in Kuching Sarawak. The second one is identity the key challenges faced by digital art creators in Kuching in preserving authenticity when using AI generate tools and platforms. So the third one is propose effective strategy for artists, art institution, and policymakers in Kuching to manage AI's impact while preserving the authenticity of digital artwork. So for the research question is, how has the use of artificial intelligence AI influenced the creative processes and aesthetic identity of digital art creators in Kuching, Sarawak? The second one is what challenges do our digital art creators in Kuching face in maintaining artistic authenticity amid the growing use of AI-generated tools and context. So the third one is what strategy can be implemented by artists, art organizations, and policymakers in Kuching to preserve artistic authenticity while embracing AI innovation. So for the literature review overview part is based on my research topic, which is I just made some subtopic so I can find the past literature review to make as evidence for me. And so for this one is about the location Kuching Sarawak first, and then the second one is impact of AI on digital art creators. The third one is about the artificial intelligence AI. So for the artificial intelligence is the most literature review I find that. So for the literature review overall is about the according to Rahim 2024, local creative ecosystem in Malaysia are increasingly influenced by global technological trend, including artificial intelligence. This study chosen Artavane Art Space and Home Gallery, which is in Kuching, Sarawak. So the impact of AI on digital art creators. Digital artists are no longer the sole creators of their artwork, but increasingly collaborate and interact with AI systems which act as co-creators or creative partners. So artificial intelligence AI artists using generative AI as co-creators, utilizing its algorithm to generate various verification for while retaining control over the correction, refinement, and final aesthetic decision of the artwork. Okay, so for the next literature review is about the artistic authenticity to cover for the impact on digital art creators part. So the next one is about the strategy for preserving authenticity. And then the last one is managing the impact of AI. So all of these subtopic, I found many past literature. So to make my reference, yeah. So we move to the next part. Okay, so for the theoretical framework part is about based on the study, which is I apply the artistic authenticity theory as the main theoretical framework for my research. So this theory emphasizes that true art should reflect the artist's originality, intention, and creative sincerity. In the context of AI-generated art, it helps explain how algorithms may challenge the idea of genuine human creativity. So therefore, this theory is highly relevant in examining how digital artists can maintain authenticity and cultural identity while using AI tools. So for the conceptual framework part is shows that relationship between art, AI and artistic authenticity. So AI integration influence how artists preserve and adapt to technology. So this creates challenges to authenticity, especially in terms of originality and authorship. So to address these challenges, artists and institutions apply management strategies which help preserve artistic identity. And in this study, AI is viewed as both an enabler and a disruptor, particularly in relation to culture, identity, and local artistic value in Kuching. Okay, so for the methodology part is about the study use a qualitative research approach with interviewers as a main data collection method. So the participant includes artists, gallery representative, and also the academic expert from university. So the interviewers are transcribed and analyzed using content analysis to identify key terms related to AI and artistic authenticity. So the findings are then used to draw conclusion and recommendation. So for the research population includes gallery staff, digital artists, and also the academic expert. So interviews were conducted with participants from Mongrelli, Ataveng Art Space, Saradars Gallery, Sarawak Artist Society, Independent Artists, and a Unimas Academy. So each interview latest around 15 to 30 minutes and was recorded with participant consent. The data was transcribed and analyzed using thematic and content analysis, identifying key findings. In conclusion, AI plays an important role in digital art, but over-reliance may affect originality and cultural identity. So for Cochin artists, authenticity is still roots in human intention and local culture. Therefore, AI should support creativity rather than replace it, supported by proper management and ethical awareness. So that's all for my presentation. Thanks for listening. Thank you.